Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Eduardo Cordova. I am public accounting, and this is my family. Um, this is my father. My father, his name is Roberto Cordova Navarro, and he is a very kind and keen person. But he does not have much tolerance. No. This is my mother, and her name is Rocio Marlene Congora Vasquez, and she is a strong and capable woman, but she doesn't handle technology well. No? And this is my brother. Is my old brother, and his name is Jose Roberto Cordova Góngora, and he's a very hardworking, but he's also very stingy, excuse. And this is my little sister. Her name is Marlene Abigail Cordova Góngora, and she's a very loving, but very rebellious girl. Thanks for your attention.